want to see if I can get some video. That is the craziest thing. The birds, we're walking back and this one bird keeps following and he's circling around us. You can see him flying by. Michael, I hope you can see it in this video. It's crazy, but he just keeps coming and he's circling us. It's funny. Huh. Yeah, here he comes, coming back around in front of Michael. Wild. Look at him. Oh, I missed him. Where'd he go? There he is. He's just... Alright, start walking. See if he follows. There he goes. He's in front of us. It is absolutely amazing. He's still staying. Oh, he's following. He's still with us.
Where'd it go?
I think he's done.